You get paid, and for a moment, you feel safe. Like this month might be different. But then the money starts disappearing. Rent, food, transport, bills, small things, unexpected things. And before the month even begins, you're already watching your balance drop. Again. Too fast. You're not careless. You're not lazy. You work hard. You try to be responsible. But somehow, your money still feels out of control. That's the frustrating part. Not that you don't earn, but that what you earn never seems to stay. And the longer this happens, the more normal it starts to feel. You stop asking questions. You just survive, pay, spend, stress, repeat. But here's the truth. Most people don't have a money problem. They have a direction problem. Because when every dollar has no purpose, every dollar becomes easy to lose. That's why the 50-30-20 rule matters. Not because it's complicated, because it's simple enough to finally make sense. 50% goes to your needs, the things that keep your life standing: rent, food, bills, transport, the essentials. 30% goes to your wants, not because enjoyment is bad, but because life still needs breathing room, comfort, fun, the things you choose without letting them control you. And 20% goes to your future: savings, emergency money, debt repayment, the part of your paycheck that protects the version of you that hasn't arrived yet. That's what makes this rule powerful. It doesn't just organize money, it organizes your priorities. It forces you to see what is necessary, what is optional, and what is building your freedom. Because discipline is not punishment. Discipline is self-respect. It's telling your money where to go before your emotions decide for you. The 50-30-20 rule is not really about percentages. It's about control. It's about boundaries. It's about finally refusing to let every paycheck disappear without purpose. And maybe that's the real question. When your next salary comes in, will it follow your habits or your standards?